All right, I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinion on something. So, I know I think almost everyone has their cure for hiccups. Everybody I have met in my life have a wide variety of things that they swear by that work every single time, like standing on your head and drinking a gallon of water and, being scared, like, that'll get rid of your hiccups. But I got something that I'm gonna stand by. It's kind of weird, and some of you may have never tried this or heard about it, but I do it and it actually works. You want to hear what it is? You get a teaspoon of peanut butter and you eat it. Get rid of the hiccups. I swear. It's the best way, it's the only way, and that is my opinion. I'm sticking by it. No, I'm just kidding. There are other methods that actually work for me as well. Like usually, drinking a bunch of water, holding my breath will work too. But if I got the hiccups really, really bad, I swear by the peanut butter trick. So the next time you get hiccups and they're really, really bad, try it. And I guarantee it will work. So I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear if you got any really weird, unusual things that get rid of hiccups. Comes in handy. Yeah, so there you go. Keep on watching.